As if a bone breaks, it'll heal. Teeth can heal.
Did you know your teeth have the power to heal themselves? In this video, we dive into Barbara O'Neill's fascinating insights on natural dental care. Discover how simple lifestyle changes, the right diet, and one powerful oil can help you prevent cavities, strengthen your teeth, and even promote healing. Stay tuned to learn the secrets to a healthy, radiant smile, naturally.
Holistic Dental is a book written by Nadine Artemis. And Nadine Artemis, she presents some fascinating things. She looks pretty much at what I've looked at here, but she goes a little bit further with the teeth, which are the only exposed bone in our body, and they should not be deteriorating. And if they do have a little decay, they have the ability to heal themselves, as every other body tissue does. So why aren't they healing? Maybe they haven't been given the right times, or they have not been given the right conditions. And she calls these two superfluids. So what are your two superfluids? And these two superfluids are constantly bathing the teeth and nourishing the teeth. One is the internal. So the internal fluid would be your blood and your lymph.
The internal fluids, blood and lymph, play a crucial role in maintaining tooth health from within. Blood delivers essential nutrients, oxygen, and white blood cells that nourish the tissues and help repair any damage. Meanwhile, the lymphatic system removes waste products and toxins, keeping the area around the teeth clean and healthy. Together, these internal fluids provide the foundation for strong, resilient teeth. Their effectiveness depends on overall health, so maintaining a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and engaging in regular exercise are essential for optimal circulation and lymphatic flow. Next, the external fluids.
Is your saliva.
Saliva, the body's natural mouthwash, is an external fluid critical for dental health. It bathes the teeth continuously, washing away food particles and neutralizing acids that can erode enamel. Saliva also delivers essential minerals like calcium and phosphate, which help repair and strengthen the enamel. Its antimicrobial properties help control the growth of harmful bacteria, keeping the oral microbiome balanced. Drinking plenty of water, avoiding dehydrating habits like excessive caffeine or alcohol, and eating hydrating foods ensure saliva production remains adequate for protecting your teeth.
Now, both the internal fluid and the external fluid, their quality is totally dependent on fresh air, sunshine, not taking anything in that will harm it, going to bed early, exercising every day, having a nourishing diet, having food that has the quality, the ingredients to build a healthy body, drinking adequate water. If you don't drink adequate water, that saliva does not have the ability to bathe, soothe, nourish and heal. And also trust in divine power. Why trust in divine power? Trust in divine power takes into consideration stress, takes into consideration the spiritual, emotional and mental aspects of disease. Stress inhibits healing. Stress, worry, anxiety interrupts with all body processes. And I think that's not a surprise to anyone. So we need to be sure that our internal and external fluids are of the top quality to allow our teeth to heal.
Now that we've explored how teeth have the remarkable ability to heal themselves with the right conditions, let's shift our focus to the practical steps you can take every day. Proper dental hygiene practices are key to creating an environment where your teeth can thrive and stay healthy. Here's how simple habits like flossing and rinsing can make a big difference. 1. Flossing.
As one dentist said, only floss the teeth that you want to keep.
Flossing is a simple yet essential practice for maintaining strong, healthy teeth. Unlike brushing, which cleans the surface of the teeth, flossing targets the tight spaces between them where food particles often get trapped. When left unchecked, these particles can decay, creating an environment where harmful bacteria thrive. As these bacteria break down food, they release acids that erode enamel, the protective outer layer of the teeth. Over time, this can lead to cavities, gum disease, and even tooth loss. Regular flossing helps to remove these trapped particles and disrupts the buildup of plaque, a sticky film of bacteria that forms on teeth. Plaque, if not removed, can harden into tartar, which is much more difficult to clean and can contribute to gum inflammation and decay. Flossing also promotes healthy gums by reducing the risk of gingivitis, the early stage of gum disease. For optimal results, flossing should be done daily, ideally before bedtime. Combining this practice with brushing and rinsing ensures a comprehensive oral hygiene routine. By keeping the spaces between your teeth clean, flossing not only protects your enamel, but also promotes overall oral health and a brighter smile. 2. Rinsing.
So make sure after every meal you rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth very well. You can rinse it with seawater. You can rinse it with a mixture of sodium bicarbonate water and floss those teeth. Keep them clean. Wow, won't we save a fortune not having to go to the dentist because you're keeping your teeth clean? Especially before you go to sleep at night, because by morning, wow, those microorganisms have had a party in there. And they've been able to have a lot of food in between those teeth, and they also have the ability to damage the dentine that covers the teeth. So very important to rinse, very important to floss. In fact, both of these are even more important than cleaning with a toothbrush, but also oil pull. What's oil pulling? So oil pulling is using coconut oil. It's putting the oil in your mouth and it's swishing. Swish, swish. You might swish for 10, rest for 10. Swish for 10 seconds, rest for 10 seconds. It's called oil pulling because it can pull waste out of the tongue. It can pull waste out of the glands under the tongue. It can pull waste out of the blood vessels under the tongue, and then you release that oil out on the grass. Don't release it down the plug hole or you'll plug up your plumbing. And take some water with you and rinse again and release that out. So and I'm speaking about dental health here because teeth are part of the bones. Well, they are bones. So the same thing applies to the teeth as applies to all the bones in your body. Teeth should not be deteriorating, and it's expensive business, dentistry, isn't it? And remember, if you have a little bit of decay, then it's important that you rinse and floss after every meal, that you oil pull maybe a couple of times a day. Just be mindful that keeping that mouth clean will prevent tooth decay.
For best results, rinse thoroughly after every meal, ensuring that all areas of the mouth are reached. This is especially important before bedtime, as bacteria can thrive overnight on leftover food particles. By incorporating rinsing into your daily routine, you protect your teeth, freshen your breath, and support overall oral health naturally and effectively. Good dental hygiene practices are the foundation of a healthy smile, but they're only part of the equation. What you eat and drink also plays a significant role in protecting your teeth. Let's take a closer look at the foods to avoid and the ones to include for optimal oral health. Foods to avoid. Certain foods and drinks can significantly harm your teeth, making it crucial to avoid them for better oral health. Sugar and sugary drinks are among the worst culprits, as they feed bacteria in the mouth. These bacteria produce acids that erode enamel, leading to cavities and tooth decay. Acidic beverages, such as sodas and some fruit juices, weaken enamel even further, especially when consumed over extended periods. Prolonged exposure allows acids to do more damage, reducing saliva's natural ability to protect teeth. To safeguard your dental health, minimize or eliminate these items from your diet and opt for water instead. Foods to include. Incorporating crunchy foods like apples, celery, carrots, and cucumbers into your diet is excellent for dental health. These foods naturally clean the teeth by stimulating saliva production, which helps wash away bacteria and food particles. Their crunchy texture strengthens teeth, gums, and jaw muscles, promoting overall oral health. Additionally, breastfeeding plays a crucial role in jaw development for infants. The effort required to nurse strengthens the jaw, helps the roof of the mouth form correctly, and lays a solid foundation for healthy teeth alignment. A diet rich in these natural, whole foods supports both short and long-term dental health.